Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sean here with EmeraldCoastDigitizing.com. I've got a VHS-C tape today in the adapter like that. And this one here, it's playing great now. But I just want to show you what it looked like before I fixed it. Let's turn the audio off. So here's the same tape. And that's what it looked like when I started to do the job. And now, you can see here the same clip right next to it is not jumping around. But this one was definitely jumping. And the way to fix something like this, if you see your tapes jumping or just, you know, shaky footage on your VHS-C tapes, then what you need to do is you need to fast forward and rewind the tape from start to finish. So what I did was, I used this rewinder here, it's a Geneva tape cleaner, is I took that tape out when it started jumping like that, and I fast forwarded on this, and then all the way to the end, and then I rewound it. And that kind of breaks free all the kind of stiff parts that haven't been used or moved or rotated in years. You can also kind of give them a little tap to try to break them free, shake them. But the best way to do it is just to put them in a rewinder, fast forward, then rewind every tape before you transfer them if you're seeing problems like this. A lot of times with VHS-C tapes, I have to do that anyway. So a lot of the time, you know, if I see one tape that has a problem, I know I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward and rewind all of them. I don't like putting every tape through the Geneva tape cleaners just because these are really expensive and hard to find. So a lot of time I use this rewinder here. But, you know, you definitely have to break these free if you want to get them to roll correctly through the VCR. Another thing is, if you can't free up these VHS-Cs, you can easily take the VHS tape, which is outside of it, and put it in one of these size tapes, and it'll play just fine that way too. So that's just a couple tips I have there for VHS-C tapes. Guys, I'm just super busy. Can't do a GoPro video right now, but as you can see, working on a mini DV job that's quite large, and I've split it up to 4 computers, and I got to restart the next tape on that one. And then I'm doing other jobs on these computers while those go. I've got a few more mini DV cameras I can use, but I just feel like if I just designate these 4 for the next 3 or 4 days, I'll get this job done, no problem. They're pretty easy, pretty clean, and then I can focus on knocking out a few other customers' orders in the meantime. But yeah, guys, just chugging right along. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.